Afternoon, everybody. The market about to close in 10 minutes, and we are going to look at the Nifty, the Bank Nifty, and the top 10 stocks. My day has been very ordinary. I In the stocks, I finished with a small profit of 506 rupees. I was mainly trading overbought stocks. In Nifty, I have a trade swing going on, and in my intraday, I booked a small loss of 1,000 rupees. And in my commodities, I am long on gold and silver, and this market is open till you know 12 o'clock in the night. So I'll see in the evening where did I go. For the moment, on an investment of 12,000 rupees, I'm already making a 800 rupees of profit. So ordinary day, guys. So I finished with about 550 rupees of loss, and make sure you log your trades properly. This is my trade log where I log it properly, and then every day is not a winning day. Some days are profitable, some days are losses. So this month is going a 2.6% profit for me so far. Last month was 6%. Last 3 months are pretty ordinary for me. Before that, it was rocking. But the key is, as long you are making money, you are doing well. So this is 2 days of losses, 1 days of profit. Then I had continuously 6 days, 7 days of profit, then 2 days of losses. Results are much better in my directional neutral trades, where I do not really worry on the direction. And my 10 lakh rupees capital I divided into two parts: 5 lakhs for my stock trading and 5 lakh for my option strategies. And here you see I have almost a 95% hit rate, and I'm making on an average about 5% a month. Learnable skill, the stock market, provided you take it seriously. So let's go and look at the market budget on 1st of February, and we see that the market is roaring and going up. Why is this happening? Because the FIIs are net buyers for 2-3 months now. They are the ones that are holding the market. So if I go and see and look at the provisional figures, last month the FIIs were net buyers for 5,433 crores. This month also they are net buyers for 2,440 crores. And I think as long as they remain bullish and money keeps on coming in, Nifty will keep on going up. In fact, if I add a yearly trend line on this one, and see how is it corresponding to the average move. So with this and the last few ups and downs, you can see the Nifty even moving up, 100, 200 points more before the market, you know, before the market can start maybe doing some profit booking. In fact, with the budget on 1st of February, you can see that there might be a profit booking maybe after 25th. But for the moment, the market is roaring, moving up nicely. Today, the banks were a little more weaker than if you see, the banks are started becoming a little weak. If you look at, this is the bank Nifty. Let's open the Nifty and try to compare them. Trading is a set of rules. Here's a set of rules. So if I see here in this one, let's add the yearly trend line on this one. And if you see lately, On the left side is Bank Nifty. This is the left side, which is the Bank Nifty. Right side, which is the Nifty, the main index, and we can see that the banks have started becoming a little weak, and banks are the one where the action starts first. So be a little careful on your long positions in case the profit booking starts early. So that is one that we see. And if I'm looking at the top 10 stocks, these are the top 10 stocks of India: HDFC, HDFC Bank, Reliance, SBI, TCS. Earnings season has started, results are coming. And whenever the result season starts, market is normally volatile. So this is HDFC, and HDFC again became overbalanced. I've taught in many of the classes the balance line and overextension and the disbalance, and it became disbalanced and looks like some profit booking is starting in HDFC. HDFC Bank is weaker than HDFC, and if you see, the highs have started becoming lower in this. Reliance is strong. Today also it was strong. Money is flowing into this, and as long as money keeps on pouring in Reliance, it will go up, and the results are around the corner for it. SBI is weak. In fact, there might be a lot of selling pressure on SBI. It is weaker than the Bank Nifty. It is started moving below the 200-day moving average, and I see a gap at around 290 rupees. So 290 looks to be a nearby target for SBI. TCS also has results, but TCS overall has been a strong stock, and this is considered a little safe stock by many investors, and for the moment sideways. Infosys has finally filled this gap. Today it came around this level. It has filled the gap, and there's still one more gap at about 790. So maybe an up move till 790 is very much possible. ITC has been a weak stock. It was very expensive. If you've gone back, it starts selling here, and still at 240, it is expensive. Axis Bank, banks have become weak, very sideways. I would prefer not to do anything in this. Kotak Bank, another expensive bank, for the moment is moving up. But in Kotak Bank, uh, rally till 1731 will make a double top, which will create selling pressure. For the moment, it is up. L&T is weak, much weaker than the market, and you can regularly take short trades in this here. So you've seen that the volatility has also increased by about 40% in the last few days. The market is sideways, expensive. The PE of the market is at about 28.4, but, and this but is important, as long as the FIIs will keep on pumping in money, the market will remain up. Keep an eye here. The moment they will stop pumping in money, the market will come down. This is my blog, guys, pathfinderstrainings.com, where I regularly post articles, my views. So you can go here, and you can work on it. My site is pathfinderstrainings.com, and I have a webinar tonight, 9 to 11. If you want, you can go for it. So these are the free training, free articles, a lot of stuff that you can check here on this one. So thank you very much for attending Pathfinder's training, and learn it properly. Good traders learn well, and they accordingly work hard and make money into the market. So market about to finish in a second. Market is just closed. So I'm taking till Monday one of my hedge position in Nifty, and I have these trades going on in gold and silver. In the session in the night, I'll monitor how did these trades go. So thank you very much. For any queries, you can call the number given below for a free consultation of 15 minutes. You can call and an expert will talk to you. Thank you very much. God bless you and see you again.